Hello there, this is Patricia from Pinky's World, and this week I'm doing a little range of stocking fillers and Christmas cards, and I'm trying to use the one little stamp set this week with a few additions from other sets just for sentiments and stuff. But this is one of the stamp sets that's going to be coming in the autumn winter catalogue in September, and it's called Spirited Snowman, and it is so cute. I'm loving it. So I'm going with this cute little snowman today, and I'm making a little sewing kit stocking filler. I was away last week and I got this lovely sewing kit in the hotel. Yeah, well, I didn't really need it, but I thought I'd better take this home because this is going to be so useful. And I thought I'd make a wee box, and it just is so cute. And I put the words, remember, life is messy, just because your hem might come down, or your trouser hem or whatever, or you need a safety pin. So I thought the wee wording was cute, and the remember is from what do you call that set? Tabs for Everything. And the life is messy is from Pretty Kitty, and the wee snowman, of course, is from the Spirited Snowman. So let's get ready to make this. I think it is so cute, and you could, if you can't get one the same size as this, you can get these on Amazon or online. There's bound to be loads of them, and once you get it, they make your measurements to suit. But I think it is crazy cute, and it just would fit in nicely into a wee stocking filler. So let's do it. I'm going to zoom out so you can see what I'm at. So we're going to start with a piece of card. It needs to measure 4 6/8 by 5 1/8, and you're going to need a wee scrap of red card, and it's round about 1.5 inches. Doesn't matter if it's thinner than that, but no thicker than that, and the same 4 6/8 wide or long. And then you're going to need one of the wee snowmen. I have them stamped up and cut out already just because I don't want to waste your time doing all that. I will add a bit of snow colour to him and some glitter. But I just stamped him out in Memento and cut round close to the edge just so that he's going to be sitting, and I'll add dimensionals to him. And I'm adding a nice bit of this lovely polka dot ribbon. What do you call it? Polka dot tulle ribbon, and it's just lovely. Perfect for all your wee Christmas projects, and I'm going to put it on top of the red. So we'll start by scoring. And you need your piece of card, 4 5/8, 5 1/8, and score on the 4 5/8 side first, or 4 6/8, sorry. And your fat 2. This is Whisper White card, by the way, which is good and thick and great for making boxes with. So score at 1/2 inch. 2 1/8, 2 5/8, and 4 2/8. And just turn it round and go at 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 4 and 1/8 or 6/8. Not good, you can't read your own writing. I think it's 4 1/8. Will that be right? Yeah, that'll be right. 4 1/8 and 4 5/8. I'm not liking the look of that. I'm going to check that for you. Yeah, 4 and... Oh my goodness. Come on, you need 1/2 inch there. So that would be... Yeah, I was right. Just didn't look right to me, but it is 4 5/8. Sorry about that. It must be the angle I'm looking at it. So now we need to decide what we're cutting off here. So we will cut off this one. I'm facing the wrong way. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. And down below that one, that one, that one, and those two. I definitely need to do, it is a good thing to do the pencil mark so that you know exactly where you're cutting, because I am hopeless at this. My head is a Marley. So cut up to the second score line of each of those. Then you can chop off what you don't need. You can cut that one in a wee bit. Same over here, just slot it in a wee bit. Cut all up to the second line again, second score line. And cut away what you don't need. Now, when I have this out here, I'm actually going to round these corners. I think it makes it so much easier for popping in. I did this on another box I was making last week, and it says I must remember and just do it all the time, because it does give it a lovely wee finish. Just keep the other stuff out. This card is so thick. But worth it, because it'll be a wee sturdy box, you know. And this is my last sheet. I need to order more. Oh my goodness, it's so tiny. You just have to fold these wee things out of your way. It's the cutest wee box, I think. Really cute. So now we want to fold it up, and before we do that we want to decide which side, I'm going to get that a wee trim actually, that we want to be the front, so we can do our stamping. So fold it over and decide, right, I think that would be my front there, so the lid goes back. So we want to do our stamping now, and we'll put the remember at the top. I'm just inking it up with red. Oops. Isn't that right? Have I got this right? Yep. We'll put the remember here. And then we'll do Life is Messy. I think that's so cool for a wee sewing kit. Bit of a pun there. Just ink it up in red again. And do this at the bottom. Cute. I'm very pleased with that. So, if that is dry, we can seal up our edges. And I'm just going to go with the tape to save any hassle and mess. If you want a longer lasting closure, just pick a wet glue or whatever you have. Should work perfectly. And pop our sewing kit in there just. So if you haven't got a sewing kit and you don't want to buy a whole clatter, go to a nice hotel where they give them away. I couldn't believe it that we went to a hotel. We got an offer, like, and it was great. The hotel was just amazing. It had free tea and coffee in the afternoon with biscuits and all laid out in the foyer. And where do you get that? Like, I can't get that in. I must need to trim this week. I forgot to tell you that, of course. Trim off your wee nooks and crannies, because it saves you having the hassle and have. Right, life is messy, isn't it? So now we need to do our wee band. And again, I'm just using the snail and put it down the centre, straight as you can go. And that'll hold your tape, your ribbon, sorry. And that ribbon is so nice against the red card. Now you could put it with blue. You choose your colour and just colour in your wee snowman to match. Now I'm going to put a bit of double-sided tape just for extra strength on one side of this. And put another wee bit of snail there to hold that, and you can put snail around this just to hold it because you don't really want it slipping about. So we're going to start where the centre would be between the wording, and I'm just wrapping it around the box. I'm not scoring it or anything. But just make sure before you fully stick it down that you have it lined up, that you're not showing any edges off there. So that seems okay. And just wrap it around your box. And hopefully the double-sided tape will hold that. And then just put dimensions on the back of your wee snowman. I put 2 at the bottom just to keep them firm, and then just 1 on the way up. I'm not bothering with the wee tiny bits. I don't think it needs it, unless you're shoving this into a handbag or something. So that should cover your join there. And then I'm just using, just to give him a nice wee cold, just a wee scattering of the, what do you call this, light pool party. It just gives him a wee bit of depth, like he's looking chilled. And then go over that with your Wink of Stella. Zoom in a wee bit. This Wink of Stella is gorgeous. It just adds a real sparkle to everything. Do his wee dots, just do whatever you want with it. I mean, you could add glitter, but you'll get in a mess really quick. This is so cool, like instant gratification with it. So there you have it. I think it's the cutest wee gift ever. If you had a couple of those handy, like to give out to friends or family or whatever, I think they would get a kick out of it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want any details, measurements, wherever you know, to click on the link below to go to my blog. And if you're a new subscriber, please come and subscribe and stay with me. Hopefully I'll be back again on Thursday with another wee Christmassy treat for you. So that's me. Bye.